if you get this issue for Kingdom Come Deliverance 2 stuck on a black screen, then you are not alone. A lot of people are complaining on this issue. I even joined their Discord community for this game, which is Kingdom Come Deliverance, and you can see a lot of people are reporting on this issue for a black screen. Now, I just passed through all these comments and some useful tips which has been shared by their community. So I'll also guide you on how to resolve this issue, since I have found a pretty useful advice on their community. So listen to this very carefully. If you just launch the game and is stuck on a black screen with the mouse icon, sometimes you can hear birds and water but nothing else. Then follow this tutorial to fix your problem. Now, the first step you need to try is clear the saved games folder. Now, navigate to user profile. So just copy this %user profile %. So just copy it as like this. Now press window and arrow key and paste it here on the option here on the open wide here. So just paste it here like this, which is %user profile %. Now click OK. After clicking OK, now look for saved games folder. So like this. So yes, on user profile, look for saved games. Then you'll open the Kingdom Come 2 folder. So save the games and then open the Kingdom Come 2 folder and delete the contents of that folder. This will remove your saved games data and settings which might have become corrupted. After that, try run the game again. It should hopefully start working. So it's very easy. Just go to user profile by typing on the run there. Just window and run like this. And then type here %user profile %. Click OK. Open the saved games folder and then open again the Kingdom Come 2. Then and delete the content in this folder for this game. This will remove your saved game data and settings which might have become corrupted. After that, try to run the game again. It should hopefully start working. Other thing you need to try is try running the game as administrator. Right click on the game executable file and select to run as administrator to give it elevated privileges that might help you with any permission related issues. Another thing you need to try is try this on the launch option. So on the launch option, try this, which is -DX11 or -DX12. This will force the game to use DirectX 11 or DirectX 12 in case the default settings is causing issues. Also, you can try negative window. So I'll give you access to this script. Will be available on the description. I'll just share it to you so that you can follow along easily. So just try this on the launch option. A lot of people also reported when they try this, which is -DX11 or -DX12 on the launch option on your Steam or Epic Games. So just like this on your Steam, open Steam here like this. Now let's say this is your game. Now just right click on it and then go to properties. Now on the launch option, you can see the option here to paste these commands. So just type either -DX11 or -DX12. So just try pass through all the ones which I have shared it to you through this screen. As you can see, negative windowed, negative full screen, or negative nav sync disables vertical synchronization, which can sometimes cause issues with the display. Now, another thing you need to try is try to update your graphics drivers. Either you're using NVIDIA or AMD, just visit your manufacturer website or using the NVIDIA app to update your graphics drivers. Also, try to verify game files for your game. So, to verify game files for your game on Steam, just right click on a game and then go to properties. Now go to installed files and we see the option to verify integrity of game files. Now leave the game to verify its files, and after that you can try to launch the game once the verification is over. Now another thing you need to try is, if none of this work, you might need to reinstall the game if the issue persists. So if none of this information hasn't helped you, just reinstall the game. Since if it's not working, just reinstall the game and it will help you resolve this problem. If none of these steps, maybe try to restart your device. Also, you can try to restart your device and also try to reinstall the game to see if it can help you resolve this issue.